USS Enterprise carrier, CVN-65, like $14.99 from where I bought it. It's a specialty product. Try them. It's cool. I don't really want to move the aircraft carrier per se. Yeah, those individual planes move. There we go. That only took 10 years. That's the little EB plane. There's 3 types, maybe? That's 1. Okay. There we go. Start back here. Move up, move up, move up. There you go. Oh my. That's the 3rd plane. Is the aircraft carrier. You can see there's quite a bit of detail underneath too. See, you got, oh my god, you got your rudders, your propellers. Right now we can get this side of the aircraft carrier. This detail, that detail, this detail, that detail, those detail, building detail, building detail. Nice pictures. Nice pictures. Okay, enough pictures.